Okay, so to get started with Snorkl, you're going to want to find it in your ClassLink Launchpad. If you have not found it yet, what you'll want to do is go up to this plus sign here, open the app library, and then you're going to want to make sure that you search for it. But before you do that, instead of going to all apps, just go to teachers, easier to find, and you can type in Snorkl. And it'll be right here, and you can add it right there. I already have mine added, so I'm going to close this. I'm going to come over here and open Snorkl. It's going to load. You can click the login button. And then it will likely prompt you to choose the Google button to log in. Once you've done this once in your Chromebook, as long as you don't restart, you'd probably be okay to not log in every time. But click this login button, choose your Google account. And then you should be in. What we're going to do first is we're going to build a class. So across the top here, you can see classes. I'm going to click on that. Click on create class. Give it a name. And then give it a color so you can find it easy. And then click create. It'll bring you right into that class. Now, you're pretty much good to go. When you want to add students to this classroom, you don't add them individually. What you're going to do instead is you're going to come over here. And so if I'm on my home page here and go back to my classes, right? And I can click on summer vacation. And then I can click on students here. And once I do that, you can see there are no students invited. What I can do is I can click this invite, and they can either go to join.snorkl.app and put this code in, or I can take this code right here, copy it, and paste it into like Google Classroom or Seesaw or however I want to do that. When I do that in Google Classroom, what I might choose to do, see if I can open this up real quick, is head right in to the classwork section. And I might choose to say, okay, I'm going to put some material here at the top. Our Snorkl class. I'm going to put the link in here. I'm going to add a link. I'm going to click post. I'm actually going to hide this though. Oh, I can't hide it. Okay, well, let's just give it to everyone and then I'll take it away. So students, done. I click post. And once I've posted it, you can see that it stays up here. I might even rename this. It says no topic. So I might even come in here and say edit and then give it a topic, create a topic, like our class tools, and click save. And then I can add other things up here too if I want to, right? So our Snorkl class will always live at the top of Google Classroom. I'm just going to delete that really quick. Here we go. All right. Perfect. Okay, and if I want to do that in Seesaw, what I can actually do is create an activity and pin it. And so I'll show you how to do that. So I'm going to log in here. I'm going to change to my teacher account. And then what I'll do is I'll create an activity. So I'll go to my class here. And then I'm going to go into activities here. And then I'm going to create an activity. Again, I'll call it our Snorkl class. Give the link here, the check mark. Let it load. Hit that check mark right here. I'm going to click save. And then once it gives me this thing, I'm going to assign it to my class here. It's my test class. Everybody, I can tag standard student if I want to, but I can want to just assign this right now. I'm going to click go to class. And this is where you can click on these 3 dots and pin this activity to the top. So now when I go into my activities, you can see that this is a pinned activity and will always live right at the top. So that's an easy way to get either in Google Classroom or in Seesaw your Snorkl link so the kids can find it all the time.